Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making this super moist glazed chocolate cake. Now let's bake. Okay guys, to make my chocolate cake I have my flour, cocoa powder, also have coffee. I'm actually using coffee instead of water because coffee kind of enhance the flavor of chocolate. That is why I'm using the coffee. It actually enriches it. Really, try guys. I'm also using some pudding just to make my cake extra moist. I also have some baking powder and baking soda. Also have my eggs, oil, my milk, and I'm using almond milk instead of regular cow's milk, and my sugar. So now I'm adding all my dry ingredients to the mixer. And don't forget guys, all the ingredients will be listed down in the description below. So now I'm whisking all the dry ingredients together, just making sure that everything is well combined. So now I'll be adding my pudding, chocolate pudding to be exact. My milk, followed by my eggs, oil, and then my coffee. And guys, if you don't want to use coffee, you can always use water, warm water. And now I'll be mixing my ingredients until it's smooth, and make sure not to over mix the batter guys. Now I'll be pouring my batter in my prepared baking pan, and I'll be baking that at a temperature at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes, or until you insert a toothpick or a knife and it comes out clean. So okay guys, I lost the footage to when I took out the cake from the oven. So my oven. So now guys, I'll be cutting my cakes and I'll be layering it with ganache. So guys, the ingredients for my ganache, it's dark chocolate and heavy cream, and you can also add butter if you want. Now guys, I ran out of ganache, so I'm using Nutella. Good old Nutella. Okay, Nutella saved the day. So I'm using Nutella, guys. So guys, I wanted to do a glazed chocolate cake, but unfortunately I didn't have enough chocolate. I thought I did, but unfortunately I didn't. So I'll be using the Nutella instead. You can always use Nutella, it's fine. I mean, only if you're allergic to nuts, but it was perfect nevertheless. And I'm just finishing that off with some chocolate sprinkles or whatever that is called. So now guys, this cake was super moist. It was so chocolatey. It was amazing. It was just chocolate. If you're a lover of chocolate, you'll absolutely love this cake. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.